welcome to my channel, The Media. I'm Andrew. In this channel, we're going to be exploring disruptive stocks because that's how we're going to realize exponential gains. If you're new to the channel, please consider watching all my old videos. If you see what you like, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. If you are new to investing, especially to OTC penny stocks, please use my link to Charles Schwab and open an account with Charles Schwab so you can trade penny stocks. If you use my link, then you're supporting my channel. I'm not endorsed by them at all. Also, you'll get free money. The link to Webull is also in the description box. I also use Webull to trade because they allow you to trade before and after market. So without further ado, also I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is strictly my opinion and it's for educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's dig in. So I promised everyone that I was going to be releasing polls today to help you prepare for trading on Monday. And I think that these two polls are relevant for Monday because there are big catalysts, big events that will definitely shape how people think on Monday. And the first one is the stimulus check. We know that the Senate passed the stimulus check this Saturday. It's running its way back to the House for the House to approve the Senate's version of what the House sent to the Senate. So it's a lot of back and forth, but it seems that according to NBC News, they're saying that most likely the House is going to signing off on what the Senate approved of the House this Saturday because the Democratic Party has a slight lead. And most likely it's going to go to President Joe Biden's desk for his signature on Tuesday. And it could reach our pockets as early as days after that. The reason why is because the second and the first stimulus check, as soon as former President Trump signed it, was sent to people within days. So that's what they're saying. But right now, some people are saying that because it's closer to tax season, then it might take a little while longer. But I did promise you that I was going to release the two polls that we did. One poll is on HCMC and the second poll is on the stimulus check, to see how people are going to spend their stimulus check and what people are going to do with HCMC. And I also want to apologize. I have been pushing out a lot of HCMC videos, but I just think there's just so many news coming out of HCMC. And I have so much fun covering HCMC. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. I hope that you aren't too bothered by it. What's really interesting to me is the people who voted for the poll on HCMC is almost the same as the individuals who voted for the stimulus check, meaning what they're going to do with the stimulus check. So let's go with the stimulus check poll. If you took the poll, you'll know that the question was, if you were to get a stimulus check, how much of it will you be using it to buy stocks? You'll see that 12% of the people said 0, 16% of the people voted 25 to 50%, and 12% says that they're going to use 50 to 75% of it for stocks. And a whopping 60% said that they're going to use 75 to 100% of their stimulus check for stocks. Which means that my hypothesis was correct. If you recall the video I made earlier last Friday after the stock market closed, I said that I think that as soon as people get the stimulus check, I know that they're going to be spending the majority of it on the stock market. And here enough, although this is a small population size, it was very random. You capture the numbers, at least you have something to work by. I know it's not very big, but it is something to file away. And one is the poll on HCMC. And here are the results. 47% said that they're going to buy. 4% says it's sell. 29% says that HCMC is a hold. And 7% are saying that you should add to your position. Actually, this is quite big. 13% of the people said, this does not apply to me. I do not believe in this company. I really believe in taking the poll. I believe that the stock market, I've learned, is a combination of psychology and math. So it's good to know what other people are thinking. And again, always be patient. Gains will come to those who are patient. That is all I have for today. And good night and good luck tomorrow. If you have any questions, please comment below. Also, you know what? I have to rush up here to do this video because it's almost midnight. And my dad just came to visit me, and you know, Asian parents, man, they put you to work as soon as they land. I mean, I just picked him up at the airport today, and we came back to the house. He's coming over here just to relax and help scope out my house because I just bought a house. I told you, I sold some Tesla and bought a house with Tesla. And as soon as the channel have 1,000 members, I was going to show you guys my real estate. I will be showing you guys some photos of the house that I just bought with from my investments in Tesla. And so those pictures are coming. And you know, today me and my dad was working the floors, and man, the media is definitely bleeding. And Asian parents, man, they work so hard. My dad, as soon as he landed from the airport, we went and had lunch, grocery shopping, came back home, and he put me to work right away. And then I said, Dad, can you give me a little break? I had to do a little YouTube video to update some of my people on some very important polling for their decision investment tomorrow. And he said, okay, well, that sounds like something that's important. So go ahead and take a 15-minute break, go do your YouTube video, and then come right back up and start working on the, we're doing flooring today. In any case, thank you so much for tuning in, and good night and have fun tomorrow. Remember, be patient. Take care.